and you have a shop on Lazada, but it's still new, it's only 3 months old, you want to boost your sales, can you help? Okay, now. Okay, definitely I can help. There are many ways now. First thing first, if you're selling on Lazada or Shopee and you're new, you probably can't get CPass easily because CPass is only available for those who have been selling at least for a while. Even though now I was told that Shopee is opening up for more people to apply for CPass access, but nonetheless, I think you still need to fulfill some criteria. So if you have a new store, relatively, I think what is more important is about driving sales, using whatever method that you can, and Facebook advertising being one of the best, so-called the traffic driver. It is very powerful. So you can actually go to my website and learn from my Facebook ads for Shopee store. There is a course that I actually recorded. It's a recorded one, and you can actually sign up and learn. You can watch the video as many times as you want, and it's a lifetime access to the course anyway. And as and when I have new updates, I'll be updating on that. Yeah. But if you've gotten your CPass access and you sort of want to get started, the course also provides some insights and steps in order to help you really master the CPass training. But there are a few angles to look at this, right? I actually conducted another training the other day. The topic is the beginner's guide to CPass. That is something that you can consider watching. It's a free one. It's available on my YouTube channel. Go search for it, the beginner's guide to CPass. But nonetheless, yeah, you can actually go to my website and sign up for my Facebook ads for Shopee store course and learn that.